Welcome to ContractFlo, a real estate network OS that makes investment analysis quicker and efficient. The ContractFlo investment analysis is specifically designed to cater the needs of young and budding real estate investors. So let's get started. To analyze an investment, click on Investment Analysis and select the investment type as rental, BRRRR, or flip. Let's say we want to analyze a BRRRR-type property. Enter the report name and select the location where you want to invest. Let's say Atlanta, Georgia. Once the location is selected, click on Sign Up and Analyze. The next step is adding property description. You can do it in two ways. 1. Enter data manually by clicking here and enter the details of property, its address, living area, number of bed and bath, etc. 2. You can import it directly if the property that you want to analyze is listed. You just have to enter the Zillow URL address of the property. Suppose I want to analyze this property, so I just need to copy the URL address and paste it here. Clicking on Import will fetch the property data. Once the property data is imported, we need to click on the report to analyze the investment. This is the worksheet page. Here, you need to enter assumptions related to purchase and rehab, financing, refinance, rent and expenses, and long-term projections. As you hover over these headings in the worksheet, you get to see the available data and the data that needs to be filled. As you can see, a lot of data is entered by default. This is to make your analysis easier and faster. You can always edit the default entries as per your need. Here, I've entered all the data that's required in this worksheet. As you can see, the checked boxes indicate that the required data has been entered. The first section is purchase and rehab. Here, you have to enter data related to purchase costs, tax and insurance, and rehab costs. Before entering the after repair value, you can view the recent sales comps to get an estimate of the ARV based on the recently sold properties nearby. The financing data is already entered by default. Similarly, in refinancing, you'll have to enter the refinance after period. In the rent and expenses section, for gross rent, you can view the rental comps data to get an estimate of the rent. The operating expenses can be itemized here. In long-term projections, you have to enter details related to appreciation, income increase, expense increase, and selling cost. This will be used in forecasting the long-term buy and hold projections. Once the requisite data is filled, you can click on View Report. So, this is the report page of a BRRRR property. First, we have the purchase criteria. As you can see, all the criteria have been fulfilled except the total cash needed. You can use reverse calculation and calculate the offer price that will satisfy all the selected criteria. Here, it shows that your current offer price is $290,000, and $230,440 would be the highest offer that will fulfill all the criteria. Similarly, you can edit the selected criteria by clicking here. Next, we have details regarding the purchase and rehab, financing, valuation, holding costs, and details of refinance. Here, you get the value of refinance cash out. Subtracting it from the total cash needed gives you the total cash invested. Here are the details regarding refinance, and here we have the cash flow of the first year after refinance, which shows the breakdown of income and operating expenses. Finally, we have the investment return metrics and financial ratios for year 1 after refinance. This is the buy and hold projections page of the BRRRR property. It shows the 30-year projection of income, expense, cash flow, tax benefit and deductions, equity accumulation and sales analysis. In the sales analysis section, you get information regarding the sale proceeds and total profit at the end of every year starting from the first year till 30 years. That is the end of your loan term. You'll also get information regarding investment return metrics and financial ratios for the 30-year period. You can download these data individually by clicking on the download button in front of each section. If you want to download all the data in one go, then click Download All CSV here. You can also export and share this report by clicking here. Copy the link or share it via Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or by email. Thank you.